In this video we want to look at how easy it is to run your PLAMS jobs through the popular SLURM queuing system. Here I have a number of molecules from our OLED materials database. For each of these I want to run a PBE calculation with the triple zeta polarized basis set. Let's first look at the PLAMS script that will run in serial, that is one structure per time. First we'll read in all the molecules. And then we'll use the sum formula to address them in the log messages. This section contains the settings for the calculation. It's the same for all the molecules, but I could as well provide individual setting objects should that be needed. And finally, we just loop over all the molecules, construct a job by passing the molecule, the settings object to it, read the results file and write them to log. To send the script to a single node with 32 cores, I now use the following command. Note that the number of cores is only defined by the SLURM command, and that we can directly pass the PLAMS wrapper script to SLURM. Now let's say instead of one node we can put 8 nodes with 32 cores each to work, and we want to feed one job to one node in parallel. Here's what the adapted PLAMS script looks like. The top part stays exactly the same, but the jobs are going to be run through a job runner that is set up in these two lines. Note there is nothing SLURM specific needed in this whole script, just a standard parallel PLAMS execution. Then we set up the jobs much like before using a name, a settings object and a molecule, and collect them in a dictionary. This is for future addressing when we want to read the results. In this step, we pass the job to the job runner for execution, and finally we loop over our jobs dictionary to extract and log the results. To execute the parallel workflow, we simply adopt the SLURM command to the new number of nodes and cores, and that's it. I will put a link to the documentation into the video description. In there you will find all the details and the input files of what I have shown here. So that's it for today. I hope you found this little tip useful, and as always we're happy to answer any questions or comments below this video.